Shake the application bag vigorously after adding water and concentrate to ensure the pesticides mix evenly and the solution will apply consistently. For Pesti Smart Pest Plan, start by adding the recommended volume of water first and then pour the concentrate in slowly to avoid foaming. Seal the bag and shake it firmly for at least 30 seconds while inverting it 3 times to move liquid from bottom to top so the concentrate fully disperses. Check the bottom of the bag by tilting it and looking through the transparent section or feeling for any sediment with a gloved finger. If you see or feel undissolved particles, repeat the shaking sequence until the mix is visually uniform. Agitate again for 10 to 15 seconds before every refill to keep heavier components from settling as you apply. If the product label recommends a specific agitation interval during use, follow that schedule exactly and note the time on your application log. Always wear the recommended personal protective equipment and perform mixing in a well-ventilated area to protect yourself from vapors and splashes. The 3 most common mistakes are not shaking long enough, which leaves concentrated pockets that cause uneven application, shaking only once at the start, which allows heavier ingredients to settle during use, and relying on sight alone when poor lighting or opaque bags hide undissolved particles. If you do not shake long enough, increase the initial agitation time until the solution looks uniform and repeat the short inversion cycles to be safe. If you only mix at the beginning, set a timer to agitate before each refill or every 15 minutes during continuous application to keep the solution consistent. If visibility is poor, open the bag carefully to inspect or pour a small sample into a clear container for a quick check, then reseal and continue. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with projects in their area. We also host a discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and exchange practical tips on topics like mixing application bags and safe pest control practices.